Give this a little stir. And now you are ready to dip your Quesa Birria into the consome. Birria tacos? You've been asking me for a recipe for birria tacos? I got you. It's here. We are going to make that recipe together. This shall be easy. It's not really time consuming, but it is a process, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you guys like this recipe because it's super, super yummy. Shout outs before I get into the video. I want to welcome Trish from Chicago. Thank you so much for your comment on the molcajete video. I will definitely make more salsa recipes for you on the molcajete. I want to welcome Irene. Yes, girl, I will upload the recipe for the carrot, the vinegar carrot, or escabeche, zanahoria curtida, however you guys want to call it. I will upload that for you. And Sylvia, I've never tried wearing glasses when I'm chopping an onion, but I shall try. Either way, I think I will cry no matter what. Thank you, ladies, for your comments. It's such an inspiration. It refreshes my creativity to try to do more for you guys, because sometimes I sit there and I can hear the crickets at night and I'm like, is anybody watching? We're gonna get right to it. A whole onion, toda una cebolla. Y toda la cabeza de un ajo, an entire garlic head. Add our vinegar, which is 1/4 of a cup, un cuarto de taza de vinagre, we're going to add some black pepper, pimienta, just a little bunch like that. It's a pinch, como una pizca, and a little bit of cumin, un poquito de comino, no mucho, very little comino. Muy poquito comino. 3 clavos, 3 cloves, and this we're going to blend. Lo vamos a licuar. Here it is. It's like a puree. Nos quedó bien espesito. And I'm using chuck roast. Vamos a poner aquí la carnita. And I like to stab it. Me gusta picarla, picotearla toda. Now, our mix. Ahora le vamos a poner la cebolla. Okay. We're gonna cover this up. Lo vamos a tapar. And we're gonna refrigerate this overnight. Y se va a quedar en el refrigerador toda la noche. That, folks, is step 1. This process is going to tenderize your meat, give it so much flavor. The true reason why this process is done is because a lot of times goat meat is added to birria. Authentic birria has goat meat in it. I don't have any goat meat on me today, but I would definitely add it to it because it does give it a really good flavor. But you don't have to. This is just all beef. And so the true reason behind doing this is to kind of hide away or to help with that strong flavor that goat meat releases into the birria. But this will also help our roast be very tender. It will like fall apart, which is what we want for our birria tacos. Este proceso va a ayudar a que la carne quede bien tiernita, le da muy buen sabor. Usualmente este proceso se usa cuando le ponemos la carne de chivo a la birria para quitarle un poquito ese sabor que a veces el chivo carga.
I think you just put it in there weird because I think, like, are you looking at I think you're definitely underestimating. Yeah. Because, okay.
now that this is done, I have my juice from my birria right here. I'm gonna start this pan, heat that up. We're going to add some oil to the pan. You don't need a whole lot, just a little. And have some tortillas ready. The tortillas are gonna go in our pan. And we're gonna wait for that oil to be nice and hot. Now that the oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna grab a tortilla. We're gonna spin it around in the juice, and we're gonna bring it onto the oil. You don't want this to be too hot because then the oil will start popping and getting all over the place. So medium to low heat, because you just want the tortilla to cook a little, get nice and soft. We don't want this to be too hard. Flip it one more time. We're gonna fold it. Check this out, you guys. Consome. The Quesa Birria. All the cheese is on the other side. It's steaming hot right now. We're gonna put some onion in our consome. We're gonna do some cilantro in our consome. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that. Y qué rico huele. It smells amazing. Give this a little stir. And now you are ready to dip your Quesa Birria into the consome. Hope you guys like this recipe and enjoy.
Healthy choice power dressings are made of veggies, herbs, spices, and less oil. Delicious. Top one healthy choice with vanilla.
2020 has been the year of the unthinkable, and millions of Americans are struggling to put food on the table. So Wells Fargo is helping our neighbors feed their loved ones, using some of our locations as drive-up food banks, and helping provide 50 million meals for Americans in need. The unthinkable